Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat data to Google Sheets. All right. So first up, we're going to need a automation platform like Zapier, as there is no direct way to connect your live chat to send data to Google Sheets. Okay. So again, go ahead and create your free Zapier account. Now go to the top left, click on create right here. Click on it. Now click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to trigger, as we are going to set a trigger event. So normally we would set live chat as the trigger event. Okay, just go ahead and find live chat. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just click on it. Now once done, it's going to ask you to sign in with your live chat account. And here, just go ahead and log in. Okay, as you can see here, I've already made 2 zaps from my live chat account using Zapier. So let's go ahead and choose a trigger event. Okay, so first up, maybe whenever there are new chats from live chat, hit on continue. Wait for this test button to pop up. Click on it, wait for it to load. And once you got the check mark, that means you're good to go. Okay, continue right here. Now tap away. Let's go ahead and click on action to set an action event. Now, let's go ahead and choose Google Sheets right here. If you can't find it, just use the search bar. Google Sheets. Right here, click on it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select an account. Right here. Wait for it. Now, click on Action Event. Now, in here, by using Zapier, whenever there's a new chat from live chat, okay, Zapier right here will request Google Sheets to what? Create sheet properties, clear sheet, copy range, copy worksheet. You have a ton of options in here. Maybe create a spreadsheet, okay? Or create a spreadsheet row. All right, maybe you have made a spreadsheet, like a separate spreadsheet for your live chat, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and name this one as live chat, like so. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go back, okay, and check if it's saved. Right here, it is saved. Okay, go back in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on create a spreadsheet row, or create a spreadsheet row at top. All right, so just this one for this example. I'm going to hit on continue. Now in here, select the drive, okay, my Google Drive, of course, spreadsheet. Here we have live chat. Now, worksheet, sheet 1, of course. Do you want to use time zone setup on the spreadsheet to format date values, true or false? It's up to you. Okay, I'm going to hit on continue. Now, in here, as you can see, it's going to load up data in, time zone false, spreadsheet, and worksheet. Okay, hit on test, wait for it. Now we got the check mark. Okay, now, all you have to do next is just hit on publish right here at the bottom right or at the top right. Now, once you hit on publish, everything right here will go online. You can go ahead and close Zapier, and again, everything will be automated. You don't have to keep Zapier opened just for this to run in the background, okay? Zapier will do the work for you. So what does Zapier exactly will do, okay? So whenever there's a new chat from live chat in here in your chat section, Zapier right here will request Google Sheet to create, okay, a new row or spreadsheet row under this sheet. Okay, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.